Alright, what's up traders? Hope you guys are having a fantastic Thursday. So crazy day today with Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin is just being Bitcoin. Here's a quick update on Bitcoin's price action and the BTC dominance. Alright, so we're gonna start off by taking a look at the weekly time frame here, and well, we're getting that possible rounded top on the weekly, like I've talked about in my updates before. So I'm still looking for a possible retrace down to the 10 to 10.5k area, but we also have a very interesting area around 10.9, and I'm going to show you why I think that's why that's an important area. I don't think I have to talk about the higher time frames much, because on the weekly it's quite obvious why we want to see around the retest of the 10 to 10.5k area. And we also have the CME gap, which is also a quite nice SR level down here below at around 9.6. So a weekly wick down to 9.6 is very likely. We're gonna go down into daily, and we're gonna take a look at the daily price action right here. So what we're seeing right here is price creating a lower low on the daily, and the daily uptrend has now been broken. We have lost the 21 EMA in the daily. We have come up and retested the 21 EMA in the daily, complement with this trend line right here. A beautiful bearish retest of the 21 EMA daily with a daily open and close below. So I would say that it's safe to say that Bitcoin has lost the 21 EMA in a daily, which historically is not really a bullish thing, right? So medium to low time frame, I'm bearish on Bitcoin, but on the high time frames, like you guys know, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin, and I will be buying every dip like this one. If you guys go to my Twitter page at libs42, you will see a more detailed analysis on Bitcoin, and I will, after this video has been uploaded, I will post a chart with my long-term buy areas for Bitcoin, the areas that I'm going to be buying, and it's basically going to be from around current prices down to 9.6. I'm also gonna post a chart with the percentage of the USDT stack I'm gonna enter at each levels. Let's go down into the 4 hour, and what we're seeing on the 4 hour here is lower lows and lower highs, creating a picture perfect downtrend, with the the reaction of the 21 EMA daily being one of those lower highs. And this candle right here, the last 4 hour candle here, is that crazy fake out that took out a lot of shorts and a lot of longs, I'm sure. I got stopped out on a bit of my position. I had a short open, and we're gonna take a look at that on the 1 hour right here. So I had some of the, like, I had a stop loss on a part of my position to lower the risk on the position, but I also had the rest of the position set for exiting whenever we had like a 4 hour close above this red box resistance. That obviously never happened, and I'm still in this short, and the target that I'm looking at, and this is the important and interesting part, right? You guys remember the middle of the RLC right here, the 702 level, which is around 10,935. You also add the daily moving averages, and you will notice that the daily 50 EMA and the daily 55 EMA lines up perfectly in this support area, which also lines up with the midpoint of the RLC. So that's the area I'm looking for a bounce on Bitcoin if we continue lower. And if we lose that level, well, we lose that level, and I think it's very likely that we are going down to test the 10k area with a very strong support at 10.52. If you look at this high time frame level right here, we have this green box, which is between 10k and 10.5k. Now we're also going to look at the BTC dominance, because this can explain the sudden drop in altcoins. So what you're getting for Bitcoin is a quite strong move, right? See, you're getting a strong move from Bitcoin. First, this crazy fake out, and then continuation to the downside, right? and that's obviously going to cause a lot of investors to become uncertain on the movement, their altcoin investments, right? As you probably noticed, altcoins were probably, pretty much dumping across all markets, and this chart can really explain what's going on, right? If you look at the 4 hour here, we have a quite clear uptrend with the higher lows, and the BTC dominance is right now trying to get above this very significant resistance area, right? So if Bitcoin can manage to get above the this resistance area, and which with the 200 simple and the 200 EMA on the 4 hour just above, I'm definitely thinking those can act as resistance. So I'm thinking if the BTC dominance can cross that 62% threshold, I think we're going to see a bigger move to the upside, and alts will most likely bleed much more. So if you're in a lot of altcoins, be careful. There's a high risk that the altcoins will bleed much more, and I would consider altcoins right now to be more in the risk off environment. Right here we had a beautiful risk on environment for altcoins, with the BTC dominance is falling and falling, but now we're seeing a possible reclaim of the this resistance area right here, and I would say that if we get a daily close above the 62%, alts are most likely going to suffer a lot. Alright guys, so that's just my quick update on Bitcoin and the general health of the altcoin market. If you guys enjoyed these quick short videos, leave a thumbs up, a like on the video, and please, if you don't mind, if you like this type of stuff, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will make more videos like this one. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Take care.